Welcome to Milltown Threads, a glimpse into history, presented by the Mill Museum and the Last Green Valley. Alexander Graham Bell was one of the people credited with inventing the first telephone. The first commercial service was an exchange opened in New Haven, Connecticut, with 21 subscribers in 1878. The first phones were leased in pairs with a line between them. Usually the subscribers would connect their home and their business. Hey, it's a call for you! By 1904, there were millions of telephones in the United States, and the two lines were connected manually by operators at a switchboard exchange.